Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of The Hot End. In this episode I'm going to go through some of my latest prints, and it's a bit of a show and tell episode just to show you what I've been up to and the latest prints of how they've turned out. Most of these will be printed at 0.2 layer height at about 210 to 220 degrees Celsius using PLA. Alrighty guys, one of the first prints I'd like to show you is the owl, which you've probably all seen on Thingiverse. The link will be in description if you want to try it yourself. Now this is all printed with the Ararum filament at 0.2 layer height and 210 Celsius using PLA. Now I'm pretty happy with this print because if you see here they've got no support material. So this is all just straight off the printer, no cleanup. And you can see all the nice little details in there. The feathers have all come through. You can even see the cracks in the wood. Hopefully that's showing up on camera for you. The beak, slight artifacts under here, but considering it's printing into thin air, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. So I'm not sure if you can see the gloss on camera. But with this particular filament, if you print it at a hotter temperature within reason, you get a nice sheen. If you print it at a lower temperature, you get a matte finish. This print took about 6 hours on the maker farm, and yeah, it's actually a really nice print.